All right, guys, so today we're going to look at the zero power rule. So anything that's raised to the zero power is always equal to 1. So if you've had y to the 0, you would just say 1. 6 to the 0, you just say 1. Now, if you look at C, notice that this is power to a power. So I told y'all earlier, anytime you have power to a power, you deal with that first. So you're multiplying the exponents. However, if you look at this, when I do 1 times 0, that gives me 7 to the 0. 3 times 0 gives me a to the 0. And negative 1 times 0 gives me b to the 0. They're all side by side. Nothing's in between them. So that's multiplication. And they all simplify down to 1 because they're all raised to the 0 power. And 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1. Okay, so that's why it simplifies down to 1. I want you to look at the next practice problems. See if you can get these. One thing that I want to kind of like make a light at is number 3. So this 2, it has an exponent of 1. It's not a part of that 3x squared raised to the 0. It's outside. So you're only distributing that 0 power to everything on the inside of your parentheses. So the 2 is just going to kind of hang out. 3 to the 0 power is just 1, and then x squared, if you did 2 times 0, that gives you x to the 0. So this whole thing just simplifies down to 1. Same with this. That whole thing, if you did power to a power, would simplify down to 1. Now this is just like a PEMDAS problem. You have to multiply 2 times 1, which gives you 2, and 2 plus 1 gives me 3, which is what we said. Okay, so be conscious of only multiplying those exponents to everything that's on the inside of those parentheses, all right? Look at the other 3, see if you can figure out